Is lying to you. Faceless digital marketing sound safe, but it might be the reason you are not growing at all. And let me explain that. I understand why faceless digital marketing is attractive. No camera, no judgments, no pressure, no visibility. It feels safer, especially if you are a parent or working a 9 to 5 or not confident on the camera yet. But here is the part that nobody really tells you. When you remove your face, you remove your trust. And trust is the currency of digital marketing. People don't buy from content, they buy from connection. And connection requires presence. Now, listen carefully. I am not saying faceless can't work. It can, but it is much harder. Because now you must overcompensate with stronger messaging, clear positioning, consistent repetition, authority through teaching. Otherwise, you're just another anonymous page. And anonymous pages are replaceable. And here is the real question for you. Are you avoiding showing your face because it is strategic or because you're afraid? Be honest with yourself. Most people they hide behind faceless marketing, not because it's better, but because it feels much safer. And growth really happens in safety. Your face builds trust, your face builds authority, your story builds belief. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be visible, especially if you're building long term, if you're building in digital marketing and you're struggling with this decision, then comment face and I will read it out. And if you're serious about building something structured the right way, then check the link in my bio.